Everyone is talking about Claude, but ChatGPT is not going down without a fight. OpenAI updated ChatGPT Pro without telling anybody. They didn't launch this, they didn't release anything about this, they did it in secret. Here is a tweet by a South Korean benchmarker of AI models, and he talks about how OpenAI just shadow dropped a massive GPT Pro update and it is completely slaughtering Claude Opus 4.7 in front-end coding. Here's the part to pay attention to. I'm going to read it to you and explain why it's important. Response latency has dropped significantly. Spatial and visual understanding has skyrocketed, and front-end design implementation is now definitively soda. Here's what happened when they did the tests. They showed a picture of a website and asked ChatGPT Pro to code this website. And what most models do when you ask them to do this is they go through all of this stuff to try to code exactly what they see in the image. But this model didn't do that. Instead, it cropped the pieces of the example photo you sent and then put it into the code. This is basically it cheating and finding the most efficient way to give you exactly what you wanted based on the reference photo. The main takeaway here is it took a shortcut, just like a human would. If you give a human a reference image and say, can you make this exact thing? They're not going to spend all of their time coding every little button. I mean, now with AI, they might. But what they would have done is exactly that. This model found a way to shortcut and find the most efficient way to the outcome. That is completely different architecture, and it shows that AI is only getting better at real work.